So, Mike here, GadgetGuruClub.com. We have a new vacuum from BISSELL. It's new for me. It's not like it's brand new, like they just made this. But they do say it's like an updated version. It's the PowerForce Helix. It's like a popular model that they improved a little bit. This is like see-through, and overall, from their website, and I got it at Walmart, only $48. Overall, this is rated pretty well, so that's kind of the reason why I got it. Here it is. As you can see, I've already used it for a few minutes. It's already sucked up a lot of hair and carpet. It does have the knobs for the carpet and then bare floor, right? So got a lot of dog hair. I'm gonna get rid of that. Pretty simple setup. You snap this thing in there, right? And then you just put the two screws, and then you snap this thing into place, and these right here as well, and then these tubes go into there. And then if you want to take this off, all you do is pull this off, and then just open that, empty all the stuff out of there. So let's go ahead, show it to you. Power, this is 8 amps, but it seems pretty powerful. So there's a few minutes. You can see the dirt in there. So overall, it did a pretty good job, and a very reasonably priced vacuum. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.